Today we're going to show you how to make a Blueberry Mezcal Margarita using a portable juicer. It's so tiny and USB connected. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm Derek Schomer. You've reached the ultimate channel to learn how to become a good home bartender, home mixologist. So you want to make sure you subscribe to this show. The link's down below, or to the side, or to the left. I don't know, it's usually red. It's our series of mezcal all month for the next 30 days or probably more. We're doing mezcal cocktails. Today, I want to show you how to make a Blueberry Mezcal Margarita. The end of summer is coming. I hate that part. So I like fruit and mezcal, the smoke and the fruit and a little bit of sour to really get the day going. And today we partnered up with Moer Sky, and they have this portable blender so that you can kind of make a fast and easy cocktail without a lot of thought. Most importantly, you can do it by the pool, because it's not connected. There's no wires. Sure, you can make fruit smoothies, you can make milkshakes, but here on Combat Cocktails, we make cocktails. And in this case, mezcal cocktails. So if you're like, I need to know more now, link's right below, click on it, you can jump over to their site and get some details. We're gonna get our mezcal on. We're gonna blend a little bit of the fruit. We're gonna shake the final result with some mezcal and bitters. The recipe's gonna be 2 ounces of mezcal, ½ ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed, 3/4 ounce of simple syrup, 2 dashes of orange bitters. See, it's that simple. You can make this at the pool right now, unless you're at work watching this, in which case, make it when you get home. And if you don't have a pool, make a friend who has a pool, go to the pool, bring your blender, make this drink. This comes with a little USB plug. You plug it into the little outlet in the wall or your computer, let it charge initially for 3 to 5 hours. I haven't had it lose charge yet, so I don't know how long it's gonna last. But then you just charge it again. If you're like me and you bring your laptop to the pool with you because you got to be able to go to recipe.ozadrinks.com to find all those badass recipes, plug it in there and charge it up. So we're going to add a handful of blueberries to the blender. It's really a fruit blender. You know, fruit smoothies does it really quickly. That doesn't really interest me as much. What interests me is how I can use this to make my job faster. And it makes it faster because I can add some lime right here. Into that ½ ounce of lime, I'm going to add 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. You could change your ratios if you like a sweeter or more sour drink. I'm going to add the sugar here. Now it's sort of like what I would do if I was muddling. The problem with muddling, especially on the go or near a pool, for instance, because we do this pretty much every weekend during the summer, is that the muddler, if you don't have access to water next to you that's not pool water, it's very hard to keep the muddler clean. However, with this, you can just keep blending over and over again. We got that in there. We're going to put the top on now. The top is actually a 2-piece top. So you do have a strainer. So if you are making a drink that you need to be able to strain, I don't know what that would specifically be. I can't think of anything off the top of my head. Definitely not avocados or strawberries, or I don't know why I put those two things together. But it does have a strainer on the top if you're just going for a pure juice. In this case, we're really building a puree. It's a nice, fast puree. So we're going to turn that sucker on. You hold the button down for 3 seconds. It comes on. Just boom. That's about it. You don't need to go crazy with this drink. It's just to puree the blueberries to get the juice out, because blueberries are a pain to work with. You want to get those fruits, the flesh, the skins, everything, and the color. And to do that, give it a quick puree and you're ready to go. That's phase 1. Phase 2, not really that complicated. Ice. Frozen ice. We're going to add mezcal right to the top. 2 ounces. That helps chill down that mezcal a little bit, especially if you're outside near the pool and it's sunny. A little bit of orange bitters. This is what really makes many margaritas, is the orange liqueur. In this case, what I wanted to do is kind of borrow from a lot of the other recipes I've seen out there for like blueberry style margaritas, and just use orange bitters instead of an orange liqueur. It's one less bottle to bring with me. Take our contents, dump it right over the ice. I like to get as much of the rich puree as I can. Add it to the shaker. Give it like 8 to 10 seconds. You don't have to go crazy. This is just to kind of bring the chill a little bit. And now, again, think simple. It's a dump. No garnishes. It's already going to look awesome. It's already got the blueberries floating around inside. So you just dump it in here, and if it's warm out and you don't have enough ice, add a little bit more ice. But realistically, you're probably going to be all set with this. The drink's not going to last long. People are going to be like, ooh, sweet, smoky, give me another one. So you don't have to go crazy in the ice. I also wouldn't put it into the Moer blender itself, only because it's going to create smaller shards. We're not looking for massive dilution. We're looking for a puree in a cocktail. Does it make sense? You can't answer me, so I'm going to assume yes. And you're done. Check it out. Looks awesome. I love the color of blueberry cocktails. Rich blueberry taste, a nice sour back end finish, and then the smoke just creeps up like it's like one of those little campfires after you've swam all day in the pool and the mosquitoes are coming out and you want to, have that bonfire or whatever to keep the mosquitoes away. This is a great cocktail that marries both the fruit, the deliciousness, the cooling of the pool, and the smokiness of your environment, if you will. So that, my friends, is a Blueberry Mezcal Margarita. If you don't have mezcal, you could use tequila, you could use gin. The important fact here is bringing those blueberries and that flavor of the blueberry and the color into your cocktail. And of course, using the Moer Sky blender, which has a link right below so you can go get it. I believe it's gonna end up sending you to Amazon, which is good because Amazon's pretty convenient for most people. It's simple, it's easy, you're not gonna need an extension cord or get yourself in trouble with power near the pool. What more can you possibly ask for? Oh, I know. There's a sidebar over here. There's going to be mezcal playlist at the top, which is going to go through our reviews, our mezcal cocktails, and all the past mezcal cocktails we've done. Below, it's our tequila playlist. They're all agave. It's going to be perfect. Now click the link in the description, get yourself your blender, start pureeing your drinks, make some summer, spring, fall, and winter beverages, all using this tiny little blender. We're teaching you how to drink.